Welcome back. Yesterday's nightlight was pretty cool, right? But it kind of lacked color. So today, we're going to fix that. We are going to make 16 million of them.
Okay, so the magic all starts with this little guy, the RGB LED. And it's got a neat secret. See, it's not actually one light. It's three tiny LEDs packed together. One red, one green, and one blue. Right, so how do we go from just three basic colors to literally millions of different shades? Remember that PWM trick from day 3? Yep, we're bringing it back for this. PWM lets us finely tune the brightness of each of those three colors, all on their own. Now, each color gets 256 different levels of brightness. Think of it like a volume knob for light. And this is where the math gets really cool. What happens when you multiply all those levels together? You get, well, over 16 million possible color combinations. It's a staggering number of options. So what does this all mean? We can turn that simple nightlight into an awesome, custom mood lamp. So yeah, our projects are looking fantastic, but they're all just standing still, aren't they?
Well, on day 7, that all changes. We're finally going to make things move.